Hello everyone, my name is Chuck Poole and I am the VP of Communities here at McGraw Hill, as well as an active classroom teacher of 24 years. And today I want to share a grouping strategy that I often use in my classroom that I call squared commonality. It's a simple activity that will help your students celebrate their uniqueness while also discovering what they have in common with their group mates. So let's dive into how this particular strategy, called squared commonality, works. First, you want to divide your students into groups of 4 to 6 members. You can do this by assigning the groups yourself or creating them randomly, but the key here is to make sure that you do not let the students choose the groups themselves. The goal here is for them to make connections with people they may not have chosen to group with or people they don't know too well. Now, once the groups are formed, you want to provide each group with a squared commonality square, which basically consists of 4 corner squares and 1 central square. Now, you can create this as a template or even have students create it on a blank piece of paper themselves. You want to make sure to prepare 4 top 5 list questions for your students to answer in this activity. Now, these could be questions like, what are your top 5 favorite foods? Or your top 5 favorite movies or TV shows? Now, once the square is in front of them, you want to ask your students one of those top 5 list questions, and then give them 30 seconds to write their answers in the upper left-hand box. Now, they will all write together in the same box at the same time. Now, you want to repeat this process with each outside box until all 4 corners are filled with answered. But again, the key is to make sure that your students write the answers to the questions in the same box at the same time. Now, once all 4 boxes on the outside are filled, you want to give your students 2 minutes or so to read through all the boxes and all of their answers to find the common or duplicate answers in the boxes. And all of the duplicate answers that they find, they want to write them down in the middle box. See, by doing this, they will reveal what they all have in common, fostering a sense of unity. Now, once they've found their commonalities, you want to have them discuss or expand on them for a few minutes to get to know each other better, and then have each group create a team name based on the commonalities that they've found. See, I like to use this to create teams for competitions that I'm doing or for groups that may be together for a few weeks, but you can use it however you like. But when you do use the squared commonalities grouping strategy with your students, I think that you're going to see you're giving them a chance to celebrate their uniqueness while discovering common ground, and they'll be able to build friendships and boost their self-confidence in the process. So I hope that this is a grouping strategy that you use in the near future and it works out great for you and your students.